Okay. So I'm back from vacation. Wait a minute. Am I recording screen? Nope. Oops. I'm not recording any screens. And okay. So oh boy. The fuck what? Okay. Oh what the? Uh, Why is it zoomed? Nope. Oh, why am I having a zoom screen? Jesus, this somehow this should be so intuitive, but uh, but somehow scenes. Okay. So I want to. I know it's somewhere there. Skills. Okay, thank you. So yeah, now I'm capturing all. Okay, good. So as you can see, this is a rule of 4. If I enter here on the break of 4th candle and stay with it, you can see that it was working. But guess what? My PNL is minus 90. Why is that so? There is something with this trade. I kind of knew, no, it's working. And it worked like also today. But I managed to fuck it up. I don't know why. Again, this is working, right? This is with a full candle. This is, the half candle. It's 57%. If you take a look at this ratio, so it's 50-50 that it will work. Okay, let's make it here something. So I have a big chance for this to work, but somehow, because it happens only once in a month, I don't know, I don't trust it. Today I tried, I said to myself, I will risk 100. And there was that inside voice that told me, you have to lose that 100. I don't know what the fuck. I overmanaged. I moved my stop from, I said, okay, I will risk full candle, 100 for 100, okay? When it was here, I entered few. There was a pullback. I entered here with unfortunately 3 contracts, not one. I was initially with 3 contracts. I entered with 3 more, which gave me bad risk to reward. So I didn't exit it. I moved my stop loss here. Then the market turned here. I moved my stop loss like 81. It was 81 right here. And guess what? It came back to 81. And then what? It flushed to my target. So I'm not mad on myself that I lost. I'm just a bit disappointed that somehow I don't trust it, so I over manage it. I even added maybe here. So I went with a very, very little tight stop loss, not little, but tight, okay? The target was potential for then 1 to 6 risk to reward, but I overmanage it. I move my stop too aggressively. I have to decide what I want to do. It was nice, like on the paper, on the moves, it was 100. They didn't came through. I was bouncing here, then it happened, then the flush started. So I was really happy with the exit, with the entry of short, because I thought, okay, we on CPI, look at this, like we went bananas on CPI, right? We went bananas, which on the first candle we have what, 100 points and another 60 points. Then I managed to squeeze on demo from here. Like, I don't know, I just thought, okay, we are kind of on the upside. If we break this, we're going to the moon, to yesterday's value. There's no, like, I don't know, it's something told me inside to get along, and I added here. Then obviously price stopped here, did some kerfuffleations, and okay, so the market is open right now. Will this candle, will this first candle be the candle that comes back to this area or not? I am not happy with the, well, what? Sorry, I just want to make sure. Okay, so big chances for me with the CPI day. The thing is, I have to not overmanage it. Okay, we try to go up, then we are crossing. If we are crossing with, we are dumping. But this is maybe on demo on the pullback or from here. You know, this is like this. This is just a demo, so I'm thinking we will be squeezing to the downside. We try, if we break there, there's like less chance for us to come back. But if part, then boy oh boy, this is where I want to go. So this is just a demo to, like, just, you know, since I don't want to be patient on the demo, and I want to make sure, okay, I didn't want to be here because I knew there's lots of stops here, so if we triggered, we might pull back. So I wanted to get a bit earlier for this flush, and I think, well, yes, this flush is quite happening. I think we are very comfortable to move my stop loss to break even. Yes, actually, we maybe want to add right here. I don't want to move my stop right now, but you see it also, maybe I'm adding a bit too much on this one, because then every pullback is very dangerous for me. So this is what I mean by that. Okay, so um, okay, I wanted a lot. I didn't get anything out of this trade. Still, I'm thinking short, but right now, I have my chance. Even on demo, I try to be very cautious about what I do, and not to overtrade even on demo. I had the idea, I managed my trade, I lost it, so I'm not entering again because that would mean I'm FOMO'd, and like, I already FOMO'd on this one maybe, but I had a good idea, but I overmanaged, so I could still be in the trade if I would have this risk over here. So, good. Um, this is big indecision candle. First of all, what I wanna explain, like we are coming back and forth here. Right now, the news itself. What do we have on news, by the way? Oops. Okay, so the calendar for today on US. Okay. So this is month to month, year to year. Okay. I have 42 seconds for my initial trade, which is going to be, if I'm risking 500, it would be 70. So I'm risking like 8 contracts at this point. Mm, I have a little bit of issue here. I would like to squeeze it to the upside even more. Stop by 5, stop by, and I want to add 2 more. Stop. What? Oh my God! Stop by 2. Okay, we are in with 7 contracts. I got triggered long, so this is actually an area where was previous highs. We had the rejection. I don't mind this. Like for the longs, I don't think it's a very bad 46. So oops, I overdone it. Okay, it's not that bad. It's 500 plus. We are, if we let's see, like the overall potential probably is not that crazy. We just have to squeeze that 85s, 55s, dude. Okay, so just above that area. Okay, so I'm deleting those, and I don't know yet what I would do. I'm not taking the second, okay? I'm taking only this one. I'm not taking the second trade on this candle. Just because the second is 30% chance, and this one is quite a good one. But we are coming hard on me. Don't be so hard on me. 53. So I am kind of in a bad spot, I would say. If we can hold, if these 800s, like, they don't want to give up, and we'll see if we have another wave of just hitting it. So we see that there's rarely another trade coming up, and if it's coming up, it might be a loser, a big loser. So I'm not comfortable in taking a second trade. I am here with this risk. Risk is good, so I think I'm gonna move like 50. If we come back, we touch that definitely, and we probably come back. Okay, so now I'm on 50. 52, probably like this. Yeah, just below that pivot, where it came back, it didn't find any more sellers to the 50s, and right now I'm 400 risk, which is fine with 53.50, 53. Why is that like that? 53.50. So how on earth I've been what? How I'm risking 520 and gaining only 1,000? So it's 72. So that should be for. That's okay. So was my 45? Like, look, if I do it at 45, it's 4. I don't get it. No, I don't get it seriously. What the 8 853? Is it because I averaged in the weird spot? I don't know. That's truly amazingly strange. That's what I can tell you. One more thing. Let me check the pivots. Okay, so the next pivot is right there, just before 900s. Okay. So let me just, unglobal this. And this one has, oops, no. This has to go, and this unglobal. Okay. So right now, right there, right here, I would even consider maybe a little bit of a movement, or not yet. You see, it's 800s. It's all time. Not all. What? Where is this? It's not all time highs, but we are close to that positioning. We came. We did a lot with the CPI print, and there's two options for it. Whether the CPI holds its positiveness or not. Okay, let's be very, very, very accurate because I don't like what I see. My 50. Why is like I averaged to the position? Okay, so right now we made this 800 very clear to attack those 800s, right? So the question is right now, can we squeeze through these 500s and 800s, sorry, and continue, or this is gonna be a pivot like it was right here? Because we have a lot of things going on right there. I'm sorry. Okay. No, from the open, please. And also, I want you to do this or this. So we are okay. If we check it out from CPI, so we have two main things right here. If we go, okay, so this is looking good. If we manage to go through by here, then I'm not comfortable. There's a lot big gap to go down. So actually, I would even to put it at 58. My stop loss moving to 58. Okay, so by for now it looks like we will be up and over these 800s, and actually maybe it's too early a bit, but I would like to just put my stop below this, just because if we come back here we might, if then there's a big chance we drop down. Okay, so right now I'm thinking about, but I didn't reach 50% even of my target. Okay, let's put it right here a little bit, and we can do it like this, and maybe even like this. So let's see, we are building lots of volume right there. We have actually a lot of, yeah, 800s produce a lot of volume. There's no doubt about it. And we try to get over them, get over, up and over. So the thing is that we came back quite hard from that is annoying. Yeah, and what was that? Nothing. Just randomness in the market going on. Randomness in the market. So we are dropping from 800s closer and closer and closer to my target. My okay. So nobody gives a fuck what I was thinking, bro. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I accept that. I accept that. Maybe that was a good idea to put it just below this. I don't know. But like okay. No, nothing. I thought maybe I missed some news, but you see how this one's lagging? I already had this one and this one didn't produce that. So right now, what are they thinking? What are we thinking? Are we thinking about no, I might have too little chance of winning. But I'm thinking about school run. Okay? I'm thinking about school run. Well, this setup, I don't know. It always has potential and does what it does. So, right now we are starting to have this, right? This is the first candle for the school run, which is actually the school run has even more potential than that thing, but let's see. We still have lots of time. Yeah, I know my stats don't look good. They don't look good because I'm having a what is this? I'm having a bad dip. Where is that curve? Right here. Look, I managed to go up, then almost flat, then go up, go up, go up. And from the middle of my challenge, I started to drift. That sucks. That sucks. But this is a part of trading. If I can withstand that. Like, I like the structure overall, you know? I like the structure that market moves. They don't look to be consolidating. They look they look like they want to move from side to side, right? So this is what I kind of like. So that's why I would be probably, yeah, we are squeezing earlier than I was. Oof. Oof. Yeah. Now imagine this school run to be like on here or here, right? So this is a huge range. It's 80 points. 80 points. It's right there. Mm, well, I have good stats. I have very good stats on that. I mean, wow. There's some losing times, but it's kind of a good stats for the school run. So, but that's like the range of the school run is so big. Oh my god. Hmm. Like now, maybe if we are going down, like then here. Oh my god. But this trade should be on for the rest of the day, you know? Or maybe we will settle here and we'll not even break out of that. Because it's still the first 20 minutes of the market and these huge moves. What's the chance of this? Okay, I'll be back in 5. I'm really hoping for this break to the downside. Back to this mean. Back to this area. Because if that happens, that's off the highs. Like it's a nice red day then, you know. If it doesn't happen, doesn't happen. But there's a chance. I mean, there's a lots of stuff going on right here. But you know, if we squeeze there, it's 500s. It's like possible, very possible target for to hit. I should be somewhere here, right? 93. Is that true? 90. Okay. Just a bit doesn't seem so bearish anymore. That's a little bit of problem. That was stop run, but it's not turning around, right? It's coming back to what? To VWAP? It's building up the pressure to the upside. At least it looks like. If we, okay, so 85. Yeah, let's do this. It comes back, rolls over this one. That's somewhere definitely for the VWAP, for 700. Somewhere there, definitely it's coming back. Okay, and I'm out. Shitty ass day, huh? Hmm. Yeah, that was hit. That target. Somewhere 700 VWAP will be also lots of stops, lots of like orders there. My initial 50% maybe will stay intact, maybe. That's it. So, uh, and like that pop, that squibbity with bop pop, VWAP. Yep. So that's it. I'm out of it with what 30. That's zero point 0.3, something like that. That was one good thing, but I haven't been there. I had like opportunity to win one, lose one, win one, lose one. I would be up on today, but no, no. Scooby Doo dub. I am. What's that? I am 70. So minus 1.5. I'm on such a roller coaster. Okay. Oh, fuck.